So after a short train ride, we are now in our new home for the next 4-ish days. We're making a quick trip out, but this is our new home for the next few days. We are staying at, I'll write the name of the hotel on the bottom so you guys can check it out if you want to. And I just want to show you guys the room. We just got in and it is about 2 o'clock right now, and our son will be here in like 2 hours. So I'm like, my heart is going 100 miles an hour and I get to be a mom in 2 hours. And as you can see, Dad is already
trying to relax.
Doing what dads do, I guess. But I'm gonna show you guys the room. When you first come in, there is a little bathroom. Actually, it's a huge bathroom for a hotel, to be completely honest. Look at this bathtub. I wish I had brought some bath bombs with me, but I didn't, so it's kind of a waste without bath bombs, but I'm sure little man will enjoy it because it's awesome. And then here we have a toilet and shower. And I mean, it's just a toilet. I don't think you guys need to see it, but I will show you guys it because apparently sometimes you need to make a phone call on the toilet. Well, actually I think it's for people who get hurt in the bathroom, but anyway, the fact that there's a bathroom phone is pretty cool. And then we have a shower. It's a really nice shower actually. I really like the groundwork on it. And hopefully this one doesn't have mold in it because the last one definitely had mold. Oh, and it has rain too. I guess the rain shower heads are getting really popular in China. I really like them. And then we have the sink here. Of course, they always give you a handful of toiletries, which you probably won't use. And then towels, Mr. Mason jar, soap, tissues, and a mirror. Hi guys. You guys can see me, right? Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then goes into the hotel room. So suitcase, those are the shoes. It's a little messy because we just kind of plopped our stuff down, but it's cool. There is a refrigerator in that one, and there's tea making supplies in there. And then it has kettle, water, all our stuff, phone, TV, which I don't know if we'll actually watch the TV.
We didn't last one. I didn't even realize we had one until we left.
Yeah, and this hotel room comes with a free hot bald man in the room. It's funny. We brought that stuff from the other hotel because we're rebels. And then there's a couch and a king-size bed. A little bit worried about that when our son gets here where he's going to sleep, but they say co-sleeping is better anyway. So, and this bed looks fluffier than the last one, which I'm excited about. It is. Yeah, like how much fluffier?
Well, it's not. Give the audience some example.
Okay. Oh, it's not concrete. Yes. It's not amazing, but it's not concrete.
Yes.
Okay. You guys don't understand how bad my sleep was the last 2 nights. Like,
both of us.
It was concrete. It was awful. But all right, and then
it was like sleeping on the floor.
I mean, if I wanted to stay in the park, I would have just stayed in the park, you know what I mean, and sleep on concrete. And then we have a view out our window, which I'm going to show you guys, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to stand on the couch because once our son is here, I can't stand on the couch because I don't want him to do it. So that is the view from our hotel room. And yeah, I don't think the window's open. Probably not, because I'm sure if you fell, it would be dangerous, but that's the view. I mean, you may as well try it. It's kind of cool. You can sit. Well, I don't know if you're supposed to sit up here, but I'm doing it for the next, I don't know how long. No. Oh, no. Can you see if it unlocks? Oh, yeah. Okay, so maybe you can open it.
Try. No, this is locked. I don't think so.
Yeah, no, not gonna happen. Okay, well, that's what it looks like. And hopefully we won't have some kind of emergency that requires jumping out of the window.